Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install GitLab Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu 18.04, operating system Ubuntu 18.04, server IP address 10.66, 100.15, RAM 4GB, but I recommend for production environment must be use 8GB. Disk 50GB, service GitLab Enterprise Edition. Check server version and IP address using this command Ubuntu 18.04 and server IP address, and then check hostess file. Must be add your server IP address and fully FQDN name into hostess file. Then server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install some dependency package. Then select internet site and postfix configuration, system mail name, fully FQDN. Now dependency package installation done. Now add auto installation script, download. The repository is set up. You can now install package. apt install GitLab EE, that means Enterprise Edition. After this operation, now download this package. It will take 10 to 30 minutes. Now successfully installation done. This is GitLab logo. Thank you for installing GitLab. Now GitLab CTL deconfigure using this command. GitLab reconfigured, done. Now GitLab CTL start. And then GitLab CTL status, all is done, okay, and show status. Yes, GitLab CTL status, all status is running fine. Now log in to GitLab Rails console, option production for change root password. Now log in Rails production for change root user password. Select ID 1, that is user 1, that means root user. User password, this is my root user password, must be replace your own password. Confirm root password and user save, that means password save. Now I access my server URL and default login, username root and password is password. Username root and password is my change password. Now login successfully. Go to preference. You can change your theme, SSH key, password, mail, application. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.